Hello viewers, welcome to EQ International Magazine, India's oldest and leading solar media. And today we have Mr. Praveen Jain with us from Microtech. A very warm welcome to EQ, sir.
Good morning to you.
Sir, can you just let us know about the Microtech, especially in the solar industry? So, how you came into the solar industry?
See, Microtech has been into power industry for the last 4 decades. And now looking at the priority of the country and priority of the world, now we are into full-fledged into entire solar gimmicks. We are providing full value chain, right from the research and development, manufacturing, sales and service. If you this is solar, we have the complete range, right from the off-grid products, on-grid products, hybrid products, energy storage system, solar panel, solar conversion kit. So we are providing complete value chain to our client. And the plus point with Microtech is that we understand the Indian market, we understand Indian consumers. We are already present in 12 crore families in India. So we understand their requirement, we understand their budget, and we also understand Indian grade. So we are taking the customized technology, customized product for the Indian clients.
So, can you just let us know about the product offerings this REI 2025?
So let me tell you the complete product offering. The biggest program which is running in India is the PM Surya program. In that program, around 1 crore houses has to be installed with solar panels. We are offering complete range, 70 to 80% demanding of 3 kilowatt and 5 kilowatt inverters. And through you, I would like to share the good news. We have now developed and designed and manufactured 3 kilowatt and 5 kilowatt inverters in India. We are the leading technical unit so that Indian consumer can get reliable product at a good price. Then we have on-grid range up to 50 kilowatt for commercial and industrial use. Secondly, the market is shifting toward hybrid. So we are now offering complete range of hybrid products. Our hybrid products are available in both the options, lead acid battery and lithium battery. Then for the rural market, we have an entire range of products, and we even have a product which is called solar conversion kit for those customers who want to convert their existing inverters to solar. So we are giving the complete value chain for Indian customers.
That's good. So, if we talk about like the Indian solar market, it's already booming. So, what are your expectations from the government as well?
Our government has taken a lead. When Modi government came in 2014, our total installed capacity in India was around 4 to 5 gigawatt. If you see our total installed capacity of solar today is 126 gigawatt. Government is doing wonders. They are offering subsidy to the residential customers. They have reduced the GST from 12% to 5%. We are doing marketing awareness program. Today, if customer want to install a rooftop in their house, the process is so easy, so transparent. He can look into their portal, enter the details, and within a month, they will even get subsidy into his home. We are getting very good support from the government. And secondly, government is promoting Made in India. They have already promoted DCR solar panel. Now they are giving boosting prepaid solar inverters in India. We are getting access.
So, if we talk about Microtech itself, like, can you just highlight more on the services? Like, how about the services once, like, if the consumer buys the product from you and is actually linked up, so how, what about the services? The consumer is majorly concerned about the services.
This is very, very important. Though we make very good, highly reliable product, but still in case of some service requirement, Microtech is the only company in this industry who is having 1,500 engineers, service engineers, dispatched across the entire country. All these engineers are on the roll of the company. If you see the industry, most of the people have outsourced their service. When you are outsourcing your service, very difficult to ensure quality and reliability to the consumers. In our case, even our call center, contact center is our directly by us. We have not outsourced the service. We make sure when there is in case of customer request of service, within 24 hours, our engineers are reaching on site to the client. We have 500 stock parts where we are storing spare parts to the customers. And we have a team of highly professional people in case of escalations. They can escalate at the branch level, level, and the head level.